What is up, everyone? Yes, it's another Sunday and shopping day na naman tayo. What we always do kapag Sunday, shopping. Ayan, let's go! Ayan, so bumili kami ng storage box dito sa Walmart kasi si Daddy Brooks may mga collection siya ng magazine na puro basura naman, ayaw itapon at collection na daw yun. So we are storing it sa bahay ni Mother Brooks. Kaya bumili kami ng bagong bin kasi yung bin doon is luma na and it's been sitting outside the house, kaya medyo sira na siya. So papalitan ng bago. We're going to return the card sa card para hindi makalat. And then we're going to Harris Teeter para bumili ng itlog. Ayan, so andito na kami sa Harris Teeter. What?
Look how I'm parked.
You should move it
Up.
Yeah. Mali ang parking. Yeah, so andito na kami sa Harris Teeter to buy some groceries again, but probably only eggs kasi yun lang ang wala kami, and fruits because last time we had the grocery in Costco and most of the meats are there, and when we shop at Costco it will last us for like 2-3 months. And yeah, even though Derek has his birthday, we still have meats, so we are going to have like eggs only in fruits at Harris Teeter. Let's go. and nakadaan na rin kami ng Walmart, so we are going Chesapeake Beach, I don't know, Chesapeake Beach, and we're going to have lunch there. Yeah, because we're bougie. We have too much pera today. Marami kaming pera, so we are eating outside since yesterday and today. And the Daddy Brooks, Mr. Derek Brooks, the Daddy Brooks is on leave since Thursday until tomorrow, Madaya. Yeah. So see you at the Chesapeake Beach. Andito na kami sa Chesapeake Beach and we are going to have lunch sa Traders. Seafoods, steaks, and vegetable. Let's go! Ayan, so tapos na kaming kumain sa Traders and the food was good. I just had sweet potato fries, but it's so filling na, you know, just eating the fries. Okay, nabusog na ako and I need to take out the other sandwich. So yeah, we had like the total bill was $46.99 plus the $20 tip. It comes to around $56. Well, That's good enough compared to what we eat yesterday, because yesterday we had like
More drinks.
twice of this, like $100+ because in Annapolis they have food tax, they have the food tax and alcohol tax plus the state tax, but here it's only the
They didn't have tax on the food here?
tax. Yeah.
Why would they do that?
So yeah, that's all. That's it for today's video, I think. And if you like this video, please do like. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, share this video and do a screenshot and send it on my I Am Romeo C Facebook page, because at the end of the month I'll be choosing either 3 or 5 person to receive some sort of GCash loads or GCash thing. It's a small amount, but you know, it will help. Yeah, so that's all, and see you on the next one. Bye.